Toes elevated goblet squat, aka decline goblet squat. How to do it, step by step. 1. Place the balls of your feet on a weight plate or wedge, with heels on the floor, toes higher than heels. 2. Hold a dumbbell vertically at chest level, goblet grip, elbows pointing down. 3. Stand tall, brace your core, and keep chest up. 4. Descend slowly, bend knees forward while keeping heels grounded. Let knees travel over toes. 5. Go as deep as mobility allows, hips below knees if possible. 6. Drive through midfoot heels to stand back up, squeezing quads and glutes. Let's repeat with control, 8 to 15 reps. Muscles working. Primary, main focus. Quadriceps, front thighs, emphasized due to increased knee travel. Secondary, assisting. Glutes, hip extension. Adductors, inner thighs for stability. Hamstrings, support. Core, bracing posture. Calves, ankle stabilization. Why it feels different. Elevating the toes increases. Knee flexion demand and shifts load forward. More quad activation and upright. Torso compared to regular goblet squats. Benefits. Builds strong, defined quads. Great for aesthetic plus strength. Improves knee over toe strength and resilience. Enhances ankle mobility. Encourages better squat depth and posture. Beginner-friendly way to learn upright squatting mechanics. Great accessory for athletes, runners, and lifters. Variations: heavier goblet, increased dumbbell weight. Paused bottom squat, hold 2 to 3 seconds for more tension. Pulse squats, small reps at the bottom burn the quads. Tempo squat, 3 to 4 sec lowering phase. Resistance band above knees, adds glute activation. Dual dumbbell front squat, progress toward barbell work. Slant board version, more stable than a plate. Pro tips: keep heels glued down. Let knees travel forward, don't force them back. Stay upright, avoid excessive forward lean. Control the descent, don't drop fast. If your goal is quad growth plus knee strength, this variation is one of the most effective squat tweaks you can add to your routine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more workout.